Okay, now it's time for the last one, sadly. But this is the lemon yellow one. I don't know how much this is stretchy or not. So let's just see. And then we'll see if it really needs working on. I did this one like 2 years ago. And now it's not that stretchy anymore. So, yeah. Look how cute that little lemon is. Okay, right, let's get this out. Okay, look, not very stretchy. Okay, so place it on the table, spray it a lot. Get your little thing. Okay, do it here. Okay, perfect, guys, we've got someone there. And then we're going to have to rub it in a lot. Also, you might have a full 2 minutes just watching me play around with the slime, showing you how they come out and stuff. You know? And then look at good as gotten. Might do another video of saying I might sell these slimes. Not. I'm only joking. I'm never going to sell my slimes. I love my slimes. Okay, right then. Let's do a little video. On the next video, there will be a video showing all the slimes together. I'm not going to be mixing them though. I don't really like mixing stuff. And then I'm going to be showing them what they do and stuff. Okay, bye guys.